Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into the latest buzz with Samsung S24. Featuring a stunning 1.8mm border and an impressive 48-inch size, this beauty boasts a 9000 resolution display, perfect for clear and vibrant visuals on your desktop. With the new Snapdragon 9 Gen 3 chipset, your apps will be lightning fast, and will be upgraded 12 RAM and processor speeds up to 3.3 GHz. Your guaranteed top-notch multitasking abilities. The standout feature of the Samsung S24 is its impressive battery life. It's claimed to last for up to 6 days. Yes, you heard it right, 6 whole days. It's powered by a massive 1700 mAh battery. Plus, it's equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 HDMI port for seamless connectivity option. And here's a fun fact. This monitor is made entirely in South Korea. So say hello to your next monitor at CES on January 4th. Stay tuned for more updates on this game-changing tech device. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay tech savvy and happy surfing.